Yes, good day, beautiful people out there. I hope you guys are doing well today. If so, thank God. All right. So today we are not going to talk about indicator or no indicator. We are just going to elaborate on how you can be using or probably people that are messaging me or sending me an email how to use a Fibonacci retracement, and also how to add levels to your probably your existing level, or you want to add your own level. All right, how you can do that. All right, so as I said earlier on, we are not going to talk about any indicator today. And I will also show you how I do use Fibonacci retracement to trade if I want to use it to trade. All right. But most of my trade, I do use Fibonacci retracement because it do put me a lot of should I say, best direction on where to go or where not to go. All right. So I will still unleash that to you guys so that you will also know how to go about that. All right. So first thing first, I believe the first one that we are going to talk about should be how to add levels. All right, how to add levels to any indicator. All right, how to add levels to any indicator. All right, let me use, for instance, we are going to use let me just say we are going to use probably RSI, or should I say ADX, or name it, stochastic oscillator. Let me just choose one. All right, for the purpose of this video, let me just choose one. All right, let me use a average directional movement index. All right, so this is where I believe many of us or many people are getting it all wrong, to add level here. All right, so what you will do is that when you come to this page and you want to add level, what you will do is you click on this editing icon, this icon here. You click on it. All right, when you click on it, it will open this way. It will open as you are seeing it. You are seeing all these levels because I added this level before now. So if I want to add more levels to these particular levels that are here now, what I will do is I will click on this trash icon, because if I want to add the level right now, it will not go. You can see that it will not go. All right, it will not go. So what you will do is you click on this trash icon here. All right, you click on that trash icon like this. Now you will now come and click on this tick icon here. All right, you click on that icon, you click on it this way. All right, now I can add more icon by clicking on this. I can now add more level by clicking on this plus icon here. All right, so let's see that. Look at it. You see that now I can add more icon. Probably I want to add 5 7 8 or something like 8. You know, if I feel like to add description, I add anything description. It's just for the purpose of this video. Right, so that's that. You just go back and click done. All right, you can see that now. You can see that now. You can see that here. All right, so now let's go back to that, the levels here. So if now you don't need any of all these level, the level that you want to add is not none of all these ones that are existing here. What you will do is you click on this you click on this trash icon again. All right, you click on this trash icon, you click on it this way. You now check these two small balls here, check the two box, check it this way. All right, you click on this trash icon again. All right, you click on trash icon again, you clean everything will be deleted. You can now add your own level by clicking on this plus icon again. All right, you can now add your own levels. All right, you can now add your own levels. You can see that now. All right, you can see that now. That is it. So you go back, you click done. This is what you will see. It's just an example. All right, so that's how to add levels to your indicator, in case if you want to add levels, so that it will not be confusing you guys how to do that, or you will be finding it difficult how to do that. This is how you can add level, be it stochastic oscillator, be it RSI, be it directional movement, ADS, average directional movement index, or be it any one that you want to add level to. This is how you will add the level. All right, so the second one that we are going to talk about now is how to use Fibonacci retracement. First of all, how do you get to where Fibonacci retracement is located? What you will do is you tap on your screen this way. All right, once you tap on your screen, you will see something like this. You will see something like this on your screen. You will see something like this on your screen. All right, so what you will do now is you click on this option icon here. This option icon here. All right, you click on it this way. All right, you will see something like this. You will see plus icon. All right, you will see plus icon. You click on plus icon. Whatever tools you are looking for, whatever tool you are looking for is in here. All right, is in here. So in this case, or for the purpose of this video, we are looking into Fibonacci retracement, and this is Fibonacci retracement here. All right, this is where you get Fibonacci retracement. All right, so you click on it, you click on it. So as soon as you click on it, you come to the chart. You come to the chart. This is boom 500. All right, you come to the chart, you place it from the beginning of the trend. All right, from the beginning of the trend, probably if it is uptrend or if it is downtrend, but all I know is that you need to place it at the beginning of the trend. All right, as you can see, this is where this trend started. This downward trend started somewhere here. All right, do not place it on the body of the candle. Place it at the wick, of the candle, at the wick, not the body of the candle. All right, so what am I saying? This is where the reversal, this particular boom 500 was going on this direction. So at this junction here now, it reversed back to, sorry about that guys, sorry about that. It reversed at this particular junction here. All right, and started coming down. So now you placing your Fibonacci retracement, you will place your Fibonacci retracement at that zone. You will place it at that wick from where the market reversed. All right, you draw it or you take it down, depending. This is boom, as I said earlier on. This is boom. All right, if it is crash, you will take it up. If it is boom, you will take it down. If you want to use it to catch spike, you know the opposite direction that you will be doing, but you got to be careful, and you got to know all these things properly before using it to catch spike. All right, but we are not discussing or talking about spike here. What we are discussing is how to use it. All right, so when you place this way, this is what you will see. Okay, let's take for instance this trend that is coming down now. You can see it now. This has been coming down. All right, so had it been I hopped in from this rejection here, I will exit the market somewhere here. I will exit the market somewhere here. Sorry, I will exit the market somewhere here. Had it been I hopped in from this rejection here, I will exit somewhere here, because I will the price or the price action is bound to react to any of these levels. All right, so I will uh, exit the market from this particular place that I circled. Then if the market continues going down, I will open another position and exit at the uh, next level. All right, so that's how you use, or that is how I personally use Fibonacci retracement. All right, so as you can see, this particular place that this market this market is now, this is where it is now. I can comfortably open trade and exit at this place here. All right, so that's that, guys. That's how to use that's how to use Fibonacci retracement. All right, that's how to use Fibonacci retracement. So I don't know if you have any difficulties again, or anything else that you want me to help you out, or to straighten out. Just comment on the section box, or send me an email. The email will be on the description of each of my video. All right, so stay blessed, and practice it very well. I believe you will master it, and you will know all these things with just a time. Peace. Olites signing out.